Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a practical guide on how to put money on someone's books in jail online, all updated for 2025. Whether it's for a family member, friend, or loved one, this process has become more streamlined with digital advancements, but it's important to do it right. Let's break it down step by step so you can handle this with confidence and ease. First off, why bother? Inmates use these funds for essentials like commissary items, phone calls, or even medical needs. In 2025, most correctional facilities have partnered with secure online platforms, making it safer and faster than ever before. Step 1. Start by gathering the inmate's details. You'll need their full name, inmate ID number, and the specific facility they're in. Double-check this information on the facility's official website to avoid any hiccups. Step 2. Choose a reliable service. Popular options include JPay, Access SecurePack, or the state's correctional department portal. Always go with trusted sites to protect your personal information. Look for HTTPS and read user reviews. Step 3. Create an account on the platform. Sign up with your email, set a strong password, and verify your identity if required. This usually takes just a few minutes. Step 4. Add funds to your account. You can use a credit card, debit card, or even a bank transfer. Keep an eye out for transaction fees, which vary by service. Some might charge 5 to 10% per deposit. Step 5. Select the inmate and specify the amount. Enter the details carefully, choose the right facility, and confirm everything before proceeding. Step 6. Complete the transaction and track it. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation email. It might take 1 to 3 business days for the funds to appear, depending on the facility. A few quick tips. Always comply with facility rules. There could be daily or monthly limits on deposits. Protect your privacy by using secure networks, and if you're unsure, contact the facility's support line directly. Remember, this isn't just about sending money, it's about showing support. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you'll make the process smooth and stress-free. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay informed and take care. Thanks for watching.